Okay, today we'll be focusing on mmebe ahịrịokwu dị mfe n'Igbo. That is the formation of simple sentence in Igbo. Mmebe ahịrịokwu dị mfe, formation of simple sentence in Igbo. So ahịrịokwu is sentence in English. So sentence that you know, in Igbo we call it ahịrịokwu. Mfe is simple. Simple. The word mfe in Igbo means simple. In English. So sentence is the combination of words to make meaning or sense. As you know, you read your English, so without a sentence, the words will not have expression or meaning. So as a result of sentence, what you are saying will have a meaning. So every language has its own sentence formation pattern. Every language have its own sentence formation pattern. The English that you are familiar with, that most of us are familiar with, it has its own sentence formation pattern. Now, some language begins with the verb, followed by the subject and object, while others start with the object, followed by the verb before the subject. Now, we Igbo people, Igbo language share the same pattern of sentence formation with English language. That is, we have the subject, we have the verb, then we have the object. So S stands for subject, while V stands for verb, while O stands for object. Okay, so let's look at the simple sentence. Okay, simple sentence is a type of sentence that has one finite verb. It conveys one information. That is the thing. So simple sentences conveys one information. It is not complicated. It just gives you one information for you to know. So we look at the example below. So Chioma riri nri. Chioma riri nri. What does it mean in English? It means Chioma ate food. Chioma ate food. So it's a past tense. Chioma riri nri. So Chioma is the isi ahịrị, just like subject. So subject is the same thing with what? Subject in Igbo is isi ahịrị. Verb in Igbo is ngwa, while object in Igbo is nnara. Nnara. So you can see it there. See subject, see. So Chioma represent the subject, ate represent the verb, food represent the object that they are talking about. So Chioma riri nri. Chioma ate food. You have isi ahịrị, which is subject, ngwa, which is verb, nnara, which is object. All right. We'll now go further to talk the B part of it. Another simple sentence, which is Ada bụ nwanyị. In English means Ada is a girl. That is the meaning in English. Ada bụ nwanyị. that is under II. In English means Ada is a girl. Ada bụ nwanyị. Ada is a girl. So girl is nwanyị in Igbo. Okay, so Ada there is subject. Bụ is verb. Nwanyị is object. Alright. So look at the I. Number 3 there. We have Obi gara ahịa. What it means in English is that Obi went to market. Obi gara ahịa. Obi went to market. Okay, the next one, which is number 4. Ebi bụ nwa akwụkwọ. Ebi is a student. Aha m bụ Chika. My name is Chika. That's number 5. And number 6. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. That is the translation. Mmiri is water. Ịṅụ is drink. Achọrọ m is I want. I want to. That is it in there. That is the translation in English. Okay, so number 7. Enwere m akwụkwọ. I have a book. Akwụkwọ is book in English. Akwụkwọ is book in English. Enwere m is I have. Okay. The next one is Onyeka bụ nwanne m. Onyeka bụ nwanne m. In English it is Onyeka is my sibling. Yes, Onyeka is my sibling. Okay, sibling in Igbo is nwanne m. Alright. Okay, the next one is Uche dị ọcha. The English translation is Uche is fair in complexion. Fair in complexion. Uche dị ọcha. The next one is Nne m zụrụ azụ. My mother bought fish. Nne m zụrụ azụ. My mother bought fish. Alright, so if you have any question, just go down to the comment section of this video and ask your question there. And please subscribe to the channel for more wonderful videos. Subscribe to the channel and share the videos to your friends that are interested in learning Igbo language. So thank you very much for being here. Remember, be a pursuer of knowledge. We'll continue in our next lesson.